Introducing M-Trim, a new era of molding, built to elevate every space with stylish flooring and decorative molding solutions. Welcome to m-trim.com, your new favorite sales tool. Explore our full portfolio, waterproof, pre-painted, and ready to install. M-Trim collections come in PVC, MDF, and pine. Available in 8, 12, and 16 feet, perfect for any project size, budget, or design. And now, with renewed packaging, designed for perfect, damage-free deliveries. From product details to visual comparisons, the M-Trim website helps you sell smarter. Ready to grow your molding sales? Take advantage of our dealer support program in just 3 simple steps. 1. Place 5 orders with 2 or more molding profiles. 2. Send us your store info to get featured on our store locator. 3. And start receiving leads from our aggressive Google Ads campaign. It's your chance to drive traffic and boost sales with full marketing support and a standout product line. M-Trim. Molding innovation. Explore it, share it, and sell with it.